Hi guys, I'm Miranda from the Medicine Hat Public Library, and today we're going to make a small craft. We're going to be making book hedgehogs. So the only supplies you need for this is some glue, some scissors, some googly eyes, a little pom-pom for his nose, and of course, a book that has been well loved, but you don't need anymore or you don't plan on reading again, because we're going to turn this into this little guy over here. So when you're ready, we'll get started. So making a book hedgehog is actually super easy. So like I said, you're gonna need a book, and all it really is folding. So I'll show you how to do those folds now. So first you're gonna pull back the cover page, and you're gonna start with the very first page in your book. And the folds go like this. First you're gonna fold the right-hand corner towards the spine to create a triangle, just like that. And then you're going to continue to fold the page down so that it meets with the spine. And that way it looks like this shape. And then the final step is to take the left-hand corner and pull it down to the spine in a tiny triangle this time, so that the shape that you get at the end is like this. And that's done. So you're just gonna fold that over towards the cover, and you're gonna start with the next page. So with the next page, you're gonna do the exact same thing, but in the opposite direction. You're gonna start with the left. So take the left corner, fold it down to the spine, and then on the right side, fold it in half. And then the right corner of your half page, you're gonna fold it down to the spine as well. It's okay if there's a little bit of ripping there, that's fine, it's not gonna make a big deal. And then you have the second one. And eventually, by doing all these folds, you're gonna end up with a little guy like this with all the folds. So I'm gonna do that one more time, just so you can see. So again, do the opposite side that you did last time. Start on the right-hand side, fold the corner down to the spine, then fold the page in half, and then take the left corner and also fold it down to the spine. We'll just do that a couple more times. This time starting with the left side, fold it down, cross it over, fold it in half. There we go. And that's the beginning of your hedgehog. So, it does take a little while to do. You can do as many pages as you want. So this guy here is only 150 pages folded, but I'm not gonna fold this entire book for you. I'm gonna show you what to do when you actually get towards the end. So eventually your book hedgehog is gonna look like this. And as you can see, it still has the cover and the rest of the pages. So all you're gonna do for that is cut them out. So for this side, you're just gonna cut along the base. And then with all of these excess pages that you might not want, because you might not want your hedgehog to be that thick, that's fine. You're also just gonna cut them all out. You could try ripping them as well. So you can just rip right along the base there to get rid of any pages that you don't want. I would leave the cover, the back page cover, because that's gonna form your base. So we're just gonna cut that out as well. So as you can see, this is actually a really easy craft. It's just a little bit time consuming when you're making a thicker hedgehog. So you can always make them smaller. See, this one's a little bit smaller than this guy over here. And then the next part is really easy. You're gonna take your glue, you're gonna take a googly eye, and you're just gonna stick it on there. You can also use a glue stick. Either or is good. I'm using white glue today. And the little pom-pom for his little nose. And there you go. You have your very own book hedgehog. Of course, you can decorate your hedgehog however you want. There's lots of different ones online. You can give him little ears, a little hat, a little bow, whatever you feel like doing. It's your hedgehog and you should have fun making it. Thank you for tuning in to make our little book hedgehogs today. Hope you have as much fun making them as I do. Look out on all of our social medias, our Facebook page, our Instagram page for next month's craft. It is gonna be super fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.